Most things in society are designed to benefit the wealthy, certain types of people. For example, you are encouraged and things are designed to make you use more and more energy. America supplies the energy. Even the energy that comes from Britain is supplied by America. North Sea gas and oil, for etc. So they even design houses and build them to use inefficient energy. For example, the most efficient way to heat a house is to have either underfloor heating or to have the radiators underneath window. That way, natural convection circulates the heat around the room. But they've been doing houses for the past 40 years with radiators on the inside, which is completely illogical, and you have to use 10 times the energy to get the same benefit. Also, radiators are designed for the heat to go straight up through the roof and escape. If you put a bit of cardboard on top, or some books on top, just something on top of it, that directs the heat inwards. So the heat is going to go into the room and then up, as opposed to straight up. It's a simple thing, doesn't cost you anything, bit of scrap cardboard. And the heat will actually circulate around the room first before escaping up to the roof.